2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you how to play Train, Hey Soul Sister. So, yeah, let's start with putting a capo on the guitar. 4th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we have some nice open chords. We got a C major. 1, 2, 3. We got a G major. 1, 2, 3. A minor. 2, 3. And I like to play F major like this. First finger B, second finger G, third finger A string, and pinky on 3rd fret D string. And the main rhythm, I'm gonna go over the high part later. Let's do the main chords first, and then we do the ukulele part. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Time in the verse, every other time you stay on the first time you stay on the F, and then the next time you go from F to G actually. First time you stay on F, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time, 1, 2, 3, 4. F and G, and then we have the chorus. That's F, G, C, G, F, G, C, G, F, and G, C, G, and F, and G, 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 G. you want to play the high part, if you do with not a guitar player or whatever, we can grab a C up here, which is from the capo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the G, 5 on the B, and 3 on the E string. That's a D major triad. And then we have a G triad, which is 3, 3, 4. And then an A minor triad. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5, 5, 5. And then the F triad here. That's a 1, 1, 2. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more great songs. Be safe. See you soon.